Hadian ke Jinglong ya ke election Lok Sabha election Tura parliamentary constituency u MP u Thymmai u Saleng Sangma ne ke sengi ula Iehnoh ya ke kam kom u MLA jong ke Gambegre u Saleng ula lej ban resign ya ke te ke kam hakmat u commissioner and secretary jong ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly abu penpau hakila pathai khubor u Saleng Sangma ula ong ba ula job ya ke election MP dai lingba ka jingkerkhu jong ke Pajba ke Garo Hills Sangma ula ong ba unra ai ki babon kimat ha parlimen kum ka jing bom yo kam yo jam ka ILP bat kimat ki be dei bat ka puli puthi.
We have already forwarded lots of issues, especially from the state. Now you might have seen that we have taken up a resolutions of language that is to be put into considerations in the schedule, that is Garo language and the KHASI language. Okay, and another, the one which we have taken the resolutions on the floor of the house is that ILP, inner line permit. We will try. I'm not saying that we will get it. Right now, the advantage is that somewhat the democracy is safe because the BJP, they have the NDA, they have not got the BJP, they haven't got the majority. That's why there is a chances, and then moreover, they cannot bulldoze anymore.
Ka sorka jela kelakam bakayok kot jong ke Meghalaya